Welcome back to the Classic Motorsports Workshop. The guys back at the office have asked me to talk to you guys today about stuff in a shop other than tools that makes the workshop safer, happier, and more fun. Follow me around and I'll show you some stuff. Over here we've got a few things that I really like in a workshop. First, I've got stainless steel benches. Not the cheapest way to go, but honestly, I found this stuff at a scrap place and had a local refrigeration company bend it to fit my benches that I made out of wood. The benefits of a stainless steel bench over, say, a wood bench is they're super easy to clean up. Obviously, nothing sinks in into the wood. You can wipe it right up with some lacquer thinner. You also cannot really dent or mutilate the bench banging on stuff like you can with a wood bench. The next thing we have here, and I've got a couple of them here in the shop, are these cabinets just to store stuff. This is some old CarQuest brand cabinet I think I picked up for 30 or 40 bucks. It came with all these bulbs. I've not really organized it, but it's a great place to keep different light bulbs or other things that you need, fuses, relays, such that you need to build cars. So I love these cabinets. Like I say, I've got a few of them around here. Next up, we have two things here. This is my chemical shelf. These Pit Pal shelves are super nice, either in a shop or in a race trailer. And then to have all the chemicals you need right there, not have to run out to the store and get them, keep them out of the way, safe. It's a great way to do this. And as you may notice, we use CRC products almost exclusively here at the Classic Motorsports Workshop. One of the products we use all the time here, because we're working on rusty old crap, is Evaporust. And it works real good. You basically can put it in a bin or a pail and dip your parts in, leave them overnight. You pull them out the next day, they look like new. If you want to learn more about CRC products and why I love them, click the link in the description. It'll take you to the website and you can find out more. Another thing that I'm passionate about, especially as I get older, are lights. Lights are great. These particular lights are from Lowe's. They're about 30 bucks a piece, and I really like these. Rechargeable, but any good lights, there's a million different kinds, will work, but have a lot of good light. And speaking of lights, I've got lights upstairs here that I put up a couple years ago. LED, don't use much electricity, and they make this place like as bright as the sun. So I love having a well-lit shop. It really helps me be able to see what the heck I'm doing. Ventilation is important, both for your comfort and for safety. This shop has central heat and air as of late. We just did this last summer. We just got tired of living with the humidity here in Florida. But we've got big fans, two of them in the shop, and we're painting or welding or something. And then we've got a really good HVAC system in here. A simple little window unit from any big box store will easily cool a 20 or 40 foot garage. I've used one for years. If you're willing to spend $500 or $600, they make them that heat too if you live north of here. This cabinet's hiding a few things that help me in the shop as well. First, you want to keep your spray paints and other chemicals as safe as you can, and in a metal cabinet away from any possible open flames or welding and such is a better way to keep them than all out in the open. Gloves. A lot of people hate wearing gloves. I love gloves. I like these. These are pretty worn out at this point, but these are lightweight Craftsman gloves that I picked up at Lowe's. They've got great feel. They really keep your hands from getting beat to crap. Of course, welding gloves. I've got MIG welding gloves, TIG welding gloves. These two, you can see they've been used a bit, but I like TIG welding gloves, even for MIG welding. They're just a little lighter and easier on your hands. Yeah, you burn yourself once in a while, but overall they give you the protection, but still give you some pretty good feel when you're working on stuff. All right, what we have here is the most important tool in my shop. My vintage radio and my old CDs. I love to listen to music when I'm working. If I'm welding, I'll listen to AC/DC or something loud and rude, or I'll listen to some Johnny Cash or some mellower music if I'm assembling a car. But I always love my time in the shop because I listen to music. That's a little walk around my shop. I've shown you some of the stuff that I really like or need to do restorations that aren't tools per se. but help make this place a better place. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you like this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe, and check out our website, because we're always showing this kind of stuff off and writing about these kinds of cars at classicmotorsports.com. Thanks for watching.
Support brands that support Classic Motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more. If you like this video and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And to see more stories like this, visit us online at classicmotorsports.com.